Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So just ignore my prego face. Today I decided to fix my children's room. Yeah, I'm expecting the second boy on the way, so I want to fix their room before he arrives. Yeah, the room has been a mess for a while now. I'm going to show you around how the room looks like, and after I finish the work I'm going to show you guys too. I've been too lazy to do this for a long time now, but I don't have a choice because I am almost there and I need this room to be set and clean for the new guy that is joining my family very soon. So guys, I'm just going to show you a brief preview of how the room looks like. Even most of my stuff are here in the room. So guys, just a fast, I don't know, I will try and do what I can to make the room look nice. I'm not too much into designing and decorating, but I will try my best. So this is a preview of how my kids' room look like. You see everywhere is scattered. That is the baby's crib over there. This is George's bed, my older son's bed. I'm going to fix them. Some of this stuff you're seeing there, they are all mine. So this is how the room looks like. You can see my mannequin, my tripod, they are all here. This is a cupboard. I'm just going to try to fix and place their clothes with labels, with names on it, so it will be easy for me now that I'm going to be having two kids. I know it's not going to be easy. And this is the dressing table. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. A Winnie the Pooh dressing table, same as the crib. So guys, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by removing my own stuff from this room. All this stuff I'm taking out are all mine. Their room is crowded with my stuff. I'm going to take them to my bedroom. This is a playpen. I'm going to set it up somewhere here. Just going to take off the old sheet from the bed and replace with a new one. My first son hardly slept in this bed. He never liked it since he was a baby. So here are the drawers in the baby changer. In this first drawer, I have the newborn baby's 1 to 3 months clothes, some of his bib, his inners. I just kept them here so that I can easily reach them when I want to change him. I took out George's clothes that was there. The second drawer has his hat, his bibs, few of his bed sheets and socks. While the last drawer I have there is towels. Yes, even George's towels are there too. I'm going to label all this so it will be easy for me to identify. The top drawer has my older son's shoes, but I'm going to decluster them and put the new baby's shoes in there. Then as for this wardrobe, I have my older son's summer clothes up here. Some of them I'll put more later because these are not all of them. The inners, his t-shirt, his shorts, basically for the summer. So as you can see, this wardrobe has drawers also. There are a lot of George's stuff here, though some of mine are here too. I'm going to label them to be able to identify, or when someone is around to help me, they can identify where each of their clothes are. Like this drawer contains his winter gloves, socks, some scarf, and just some few others. While the next wardrobe contains his winter/spring tracksuit, 2-piece, and some trousers, so it's easy for someone to just go straight there and pick what you want to dress him with. Why this last drawer contains his nightwear, strictly for his nightwears, the last part of the drawer. So that is it for this part. There are actually more clothes in the other wardrobe. It's so tired fixing everything up. Like I said, here's the other wardrobe too. Okay, the up part, guys, sorry, I took for myself. This is some of my spring clothes. I have clothes in our bedroom, but since there's some space here, I took here. So this middle part is for my older son's clothes. These clothes are like from 5-6 years upwards. They are bigger clothes. So and for my new baby from 3-4 months up. Like the first drawer I showed you guys, that's for a month and for 1 month, a newborn to 3 months old. But this from 3 months upwards. This maybe 6 months upwards. I don't know if you can see very well if I'm doing a good job of it. And the bottom part, there's some shoes that doesn't fit George anymore. They are waiting for his younger brother to use them. So guys, after putting everything together, I'm just going to show you what I came up with. I don't think I can film doing everything. It's not easy. One of the advantages of having another boy was that he had lots of clothes from his older brother George, so I didn't have to really buy much. And most of these clothes too, George got it from his older cousin who is like 10 years old now. Yeah, so there are so many clothes everywhere. And in this place, when you give birth, there are more gifts are coming. When a child has birthday, Christianity, you get gifts, especially clothes gifts. So guys, like I showed you before, that is the baby changer. I've managed to fix it a bit. And the drawers, which contains the baby's clothes, the bibs, the shoes, I've showed you guys before. And I'm going to label them like I told you all. See, I've labeled them. See, I wrote their names. Because sometimes when my mom-in-law and sister-in-law comes around to help me, they'll be easy to identify where each of their clothes are. I haven't done so much here. I've done a few stuff, the baby clothes, the first shoes. Some of my stuff are still here, which I'm going to fix. That is the Pampers compartment. Let me open it very well for you guys to see. These compartments, they are mostly George's, my first son's shirts, his jackets, just some few stuff which I'm still going to fix. At the moment, I don't really have strength to do much because my stomach is big, but I decided to do it anyways before I get bigger and I can't do nothing no more. So here is a preview of what I could do with the room. It wasn't easy for me. Imagine doing this at almost 38 weeks pregnant. So that is George's bed. That is George already trying to scatter everywhere, my first son. And that is the playpen. Let me show you this. I know it's George, I'll be using it for now. The baby is not ready for that. That is the play mat, the crib. So guys, that is basically all for now, though I will do more later, but at least I did the most important part out of the way. I'm going to look for where I kept the decorations of this stuff to fix it
So this is basically the view of the room from the door. I don't know why this door cannot open very well. What do you guys think? Colors everywhere. It's in blue. Like I said before, I'm not too much into decorations, so I really don't know what to do and where to put which, but I think I didn't do bad. It's not bad. And as for this George's bed, it's actually a double bed. It can be pushed inside to form a single bed. So I left it like this because sometimes I still sleep here with him. I could sleep here, but when the baby comes and start growing, I'm going to push it to a single bed so there'll be enough space for them to play in. So guys, that is basically all for this video. I do hope you find this video interesting. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.